Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where you can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and the website name is horseracing.nation.com. So this is a website URL, and this is a landing page what I have created backlink here for the verification. So before they started, we can do some before they started, we can do some research. So according to HREF, the domain rating is 72, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 75, and the spam score is only 1%. And if you can check this website traffic, so according to SimilarWeb, this website having around 702.6k monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from USA, Canada, Venezuela, India, UK, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the join for free. Cost this ad, and there you can put your name, Jobma. Okay, sorry, James Bolden, Jobma. Then you can submit your email address. Then you guys will choose your password. Then after you can select your date of birth. Then you can add your postal code. Then after click on submit. And once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on setting. It'll ask you to you can re-login in this profile. So there you can put your login detail. Click on login. So here it is. So this is your panel. Select your prefix, Mr. or Mrs. So there you can put your name. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. James Bolden. There you can select your country, and in the about section there you can put your company description, and in the website section there you can add your website URL. Now let me try United States. Our country is United States. There you can add your city. So our city is Mentonica. Then you can select your state. State is Minnesota. There you can put your zip code. So after once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on the save, and your profile is created on this website. And the another thing is this site is related for the entertainment and the sport industry. So if you are in the same, so this is a relevant backlink for you guys. Okay. So this is our backlink, how you can found your landing page URL. So you can see after this URL, you can type /user, then your username. Okay, so my username is Jobma, and you can copy this text. Let me show you in incognito. So this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is an instant approved backlink. This is our brand name. And if I can click, if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow profile backlink on this website. So overall, this is the process for the creating backlink. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion from me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.